Hello everyone, this is Ashish Deshpande and I work as a software developer in IBM. Today I will be talking about Kabanero pipelines. In order to understand what is Kabanero pipelines, you should first know what is Kabanero. So today's agenda is to understand what is Kabanero built up upon, and what does Kabanero provides you. Let's go to our website. This is our website kabanero.io. What is Kabanero? Kabanero is an open source project which is built on other open source projects. It is basically designed to solve the problems today's developers and solution architects face in usage of the cloud native. Using Kabanero, the solution architects will be able to provide their developers with some predefined set of technology stacks so that the developers can build their applications, develop it faster, and deploy it. In order to understand something more about Kabanero workflow, please go through this introductory video. Kabanero is built up upon two foundational projects, Knative and Istio, which are built on Kubernetes. If you want to learn something more about Knative and Istio, please follow the links which I will be providing at the bottom of this video. Kabanero runs on Red Hat OpenShift OKD cluster or on OpenShift Container Platform, that is OCP cluster. So you have to install either OKD or OCP on your cluster before you install Kabanero Enterprise. Kabanero Enterprise is a part of IBM ICPA, which is IBM Cloud Pak for Application. If you go to this Knowledge Center link, which I will be posting at the bottom of this video, you can see that Kabanero Enterprise is already a part of IBM Cloud Pak for Applications. Now, let's see what Kabanero provides, which is Kabanero Collections and Kabanero Pipelines. If you go here on github.com/kabanero-io/collections, this is our open sourced repository for collections. Collections are pre-configured set of technology stacks which are provided by the solution architect to their developers. Developers can begin developing their application as a starting point using this pre-configured collection stacks. Collections are based on Apcity, so let's try to understand what is Apcity. Apcity is another open source project which is designed to help you develop containerized applications for the cloud environment. So Collections uses Apcity stacks internally. Using this collections, developers can begin their application development and then they can push their code once they are ready onto the GitHub. Then they can use Kabanero pipelines to build and deploy this application onto Kubernetes platform. Now let's try to understand what are Kabanero pipelines. If you go on to github.com/kabanero-io/kabanero-pipelines, this is our open source repository for Kabanero pipelines. It is a set of Tekton tasks and Tekton pipelines. Tekton is another open source project which was started by Google. So Tekton tasks and Tekton pipelines are used in conjunction with our Kabanero collection to illustrate continuous delivery and continuous integration workflow. CI/CD pipeline. For example, developer is ready with his application onto GitHub, then they can use this Kabanero pipelines to build and deploy their projects onto Kubernetes platform. Kabanero pipelines can be run manually or via a webhook, which I will be showing you in a demo later. Now in the next video, I will be showing you how to use collection stacks to start developing an application. And once we are ready with that application, I'll show you another demo using the Kabanero pipelines to build and deploy that application onto our Kubernetes platform. So please stay tuned. Thank you.